Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a project share for the Gorjuss and Pure Innocence Collab with Poetspice, and this is our December submission. And for this month we had to do boxes and bags, so had to use the Gorjuss Girl or the Pure Innocence stamps with a box and a bag, or either or. And I will have all the other collaborators in the show me box below, so you can check out their channels and be inspired to use your Gorjuss Girl stamps and your Pure Innocence stamps or any of the stamps, and just use them on some decorative projects. So for this month, I use this rubber Centauro stamp set. It's a 9-piece, and I used two of these girls up here and fussy cut them out. I used the Chanel Glitter Girl paper that was gifted to me by Yvette, the Cos Girl. And then this is actually an In Love Art Shop die. Back when, it's just a decorative box. Back when I was doing some design team stuff, when they first came out. And then this is a Spellbinders die. And I ain't finished inventorying these. I just threw them in the envelopes. And this one is paper bag envelope, S6118. So that's my bag and my box. So with the box envelope, just use a little doily. I fussy cut out. I stamped her. Use my Spectrum watercolor and use a little gold doily, my enamel dots from BB Craft, and fussy cut out sparkle and unicorn piece of paper. And again, this is just a little box. It's about 1 inch deep, so you can stick whatever little trinkets or whatever you like in there. So that's my little box. And then I did my little paper bag, and it says a little insert in here with my Spellbinders die, and then I just layered that up too. Fussy cut her out and fussy cut out the ice cream cone in the camera, and put some little thread back there and enamel dots from BB Craft in the doily. And that, sorry about the lighting, is my two project shares, my box and my bag, using my Gorjuss girls. So again, don't forget you can fussy cut them out if you don't have the dies, and these didn't come with dies, but you know, you can alter them and make them different. And again, I colored both of them my Spectrum Noir markers. So that's just my little share. So thank you, ladies and gents, for watching. And again, pull out your stuff and explore and check out the women below, and hope that it can encourage you. And guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.